Front of the house is what I'm most worried about. Got a lot of, rotting and stuff. All this needs to be replaced. It's just wood, cutting it and putting it together and putting some paint on it. Well, look up here, got some water damage. I hope you can see that, how it's bowing down. All that needs to be replaced. This is the front awning of the house. See how it's coming apart there? And then got the window here. All this window area needs to be replaced. There's a lot of water damage. And you can see down below. I have no idea how to do this. And there's a hole down at the bottom that they had to fill in to keep critters from getting inside the house. And I'll look up. Got some water damage by the gutter. So I think probably all the gutters need to be replaced. And this window framing all needs to be replaced. And then up here, all that needs to be replaced. So I have no idea how much it's going to cost. My grandfather worked. This is the front window part. Got a little plant I can't kill growing out of that. But this whole area whole window area needs to be replaced.